we need to prepare for what the purpose of Ramadan is, which is to attain لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so that you may become people of taqwa. Ramadan, all that multiplies, all that it gives, Allah is not looking for us to fast. It does not matter to Allah whether we eat, whether we do not eat. He is the one who gives us provisions to eat. Why would He want us not to eat? Right? So fasting has nothing to do with depriving yourself of food or depriving yourself of any other rightful needs. It is all to do with doing things that can help you become person of taqwa. And as the saying goes, that the prevention is better than cure. Attainment of taqwa is directly related with control of nafs. In other words, Taqwa and Nafs are inversely proportional. Fatter the Nafs, the difficult it is to be a person of Taqwa. The more you are muttaqi, tighter control you have on your Nafs. Hence, if we have to start preparing for Ramadan, we need to start working on preparing our Nafs. We have to start working on controlling our Nafs. And to control your Nafs and to prepare your Nafs,